In the last few years, I went from earning $38,000 a year to well over six figures without a 4 years degree, without student debt, and the best part, without leaving my desk. I did this by mastering AutoCAD and BIM. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact roadmap to do the same thing in as little as 3 to 6 months. But before we get into the step-by-step plan, the nitty-gritty, I want to give you the 3 biggest mistakes beginners make, because avoiding them is the fastest shortcut I know. The first mistake I see all the time is trying to memorize concepts instead of applying them. And people think they can watch endless tutorials and suddenly become job ready. The truth is, real growth happens when you actually create a drawing, make all the mistakes you need to make and fix all of those mistakes as well, and understand why it worked. Secondly, if all you do is follow tutorials step by step, chances are that you'll freeze when faced with a brand new project. So you need to start creating original drawings early, even small ones, so you learn the why behind every decision, not just the buttons to press. The third mistake is trying to memorize every single command before applying for jobs. I've learned over the years, from recruiters, hiring managers, and even going through the interview process a few times, they don't expect new hires to know every feature or everything. They want strong visual spatial skills, attention to detail, and the ability to learn quickly. Interviews test how you think through a problem, not which shortcut you've memorized. All right? I wasted months making all 3 of these mistakes myself, so let me save you that time. So what is drafting and BIM? Every construction or design project is a system, multiple moving parts working together to create a finished building. Drafting and BIM is the part that turns ideas into detailed, buildable plans. You're the person translating designs into precise technical drawings that contractors can actually use. Here's a real-world example. After over 8 years in the field, I now work on massive data centers for some of the biggest companies in the country. The designs I create have to be precise. One incorrect placement of a utility vault or equipment or a mislabeled component could delay a project and cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's how much the rest of the system depends on you. The work is intellectually challenging, but not physically demanding. You're solving problems behind a computer, sometimes troubleshooting, clashes between different systems, HVAC versus electrical, so on and so forth. Other times, you're optimizing layouts to save the client money and material. It's creative, it's technical, and it can often be done remotely. Here's why this matters right now. The US bipartisan infrastructure law authorized $1.2 trillion in spending, and as of late 2024, less than half of those funds have been deployed. Hundreds of billions of dollars in projects are still being built out, meaning demand for qualified drafters and BIM specialists isn't slowing down anytime soon. Companies are searching for qualified drafters and BIM specialists, but they can't find enough people with the right skills. You don't need to pour concrete or climb scaffolding. You just need to learn the software and understand how buildings go together. So let's talk about what you need to learn. To succeed in drafting and BIM, you need to master these 3 core areas. First, technical drawing skills. Learn AutoCAD, Revit, or a similar software. Second, industry standards and codes. Understand how buildings are designed, built, and inspected. And third, project coordination. Communicating with engineers, architects, and contractors to keep designs aligned. You can learn all of this even starting from scratch. I recommend starting with AutoCAD if you want a solid 2D drafting foundation, and Revit if you want to go straight into BIM. Both have massive online communities and thousands of resources, and don't think twice about using templates or company standards from day one. Every real project uses them. They're not cheating, they're professional practice. Here's how I would structure your first 6 months, and fair warning here, y'all, this does require real commitment. So if you're not willing to put in around 10 hours a week, this timeline won't hold. But if you do the work, here's what it looks like. In month 1, build the foundation. Something will click in the first month that didn't before. You stop seeing a screen full of commands and start seeing a drawing come together. Focus on core AutoCAD concepts and practice them until they feel natural. Don't try to learn everything at once. In month 2 to 3, build real things. Here's where you start with simple residential floor plans, then move to more complex, commercial projects or even larger residential ones. Each project should teach you something new about the software and industry standards. Push yourself to create original work, not just copying tutorials. In month 4 to 5, build your portfolio pieces. This is where everything clicks into place. Create a polished, complete plan set, full residential or commercial project from start to finish. This is what you will show hiring managers to prove you can handle a real job. And in month 6, get in front of employers. Refine your resume, practice interviews and start applying. Don't wait until you feel completely ready. Start when you have solid basic skills and a decent portfolio. It doesn't have to be perfect, but a decent one. Confidence follow action, not the other way around. Here's the earning potential that should get you excited. Entry-level CAD technicians will earn between $50,000 to $65,000 per year. Architectural drafters from $55,000 to $75,000. BIM specialist starts at $70,000 to $95,000, and if you're a senior BIM specialist, you're looking at $85,000 to $125,000. And when you move up into the BIM manager and director role, you're looking way up there in the 110 up to the 200s and more. The path is clear and achievable. I've lived it, and many students I've worked with have seen the same kind of progression once they get established in the field. I keep running into people making these same 3 mistakes, stuck in tutorial loops, not building real portfolios, or waiting too long to apply. That frustration is why I partnered with Course Careers to create the Architectural Drafting course, a direct path from beginner to employed, without the wasted time or student debt. Here's what makes this approach different. You start with my free intro course that shows you exactly what drafting and BIM work looks like day to day, and in under an hour, you'll know if this career is right for you and what you can expect to earn. In the full program, you learn job-ready AutoCAD skills through hands-on projects that mirror real world. You also get comprehensive career support, resume optimization, interview prep, and networking strategies. And my favorite part, you have access to Cora, our AI career counselor, built right into the platform. Think of it like raising your hand in class, but anytime, whether day or night. The construction industry needs qualified drafters and BIM specialists right now. Companies are willing to train the right people, but you have to show up with the foundation skills and, most importantly, the drive to learn. We got to be honest here. This path isn't for everyone, and I won't pretend it requires zero effort. But if you're willing to put in the work, the same transformation that I made is available to you. Start with the free intro course, get a real feel for what this work is like, and then decide. Use my link for $50 off the full program, and you could be applying for your first job in just a few months. If this helped, like and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want me to go deeper on any part of this.